LG refrigerator model LRMXC2206S error codes. LG 36-inch smart freestanding counter-depth 4-door French door refrigerator with 22 cubic feet total capacity, Wi-Fi enabled, 4 glass shelves, 7.2 cubic feet freezer capacity, external water D. Error codes. Code FDS. Problem: freezer defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RDS. Problem: refrigerator defrost sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RHS. Problem: humidity sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code is. Problem: ice maker sensor. Fix: sensor short or wiring problem. Code RSS. Problem: pantry sensor. Fix: the pantry is the deli drawer. Short in sensor or wiring problem. Code RRT. Problem: room temperature sensor. Fix: short in sensor or wiring problem. Code IT. Problem: system error inside ice maker. Fix: self-test ice maker routine. Code RGF. Problem: flow meter error code. Fix: water pressure, flow of water. Code FDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F in defrost. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code RDH. Problem: sensor did not get over 40 F. Fix: faulty fuse, heater or control board. Code IF. Problem: the fan for the ice compartment failed. Fix: icing fan blocked, ice fan motor is defective, wiring in the circuit is defective, or the control board has failed. Code RFF. Problem: evaporator fan failed. Fix: fan motor, control board or wiring harness. Code RCF. Problem: condenser fan motor is defective. Fix: condenser fan motor, wiring or the control board. Code company. Problem: communication error. Fix: communication error between main board and display board.